Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and let's get into this hair, specifically my hair color. Because if you didn't know, red fades, and I always get questions about how I maintain my red, how I keep it vibrant and vivacious. And honey, it's actually quite simple. I just recolor it, and I recolor it often because I don't like for my hair to look dusty and crusty. It's just not a look. I have partnered with Dark and Lovely to bring you this video, so we're going to go through the entire process of what I do to maintain the vibrant, vivacious red hair color. And although I am in a protective style right now, I'm going to show you my hair down, and then after I actually go through my coloring process and blow dry it and put it in this cute little pony, let's get into my coloring process. Red fades, unfortunately, I have had to learn quite the hard way that it is a color that has to be maintained, because if it's not, it will look dull and dry even if it is healthy and moisturized. I have to refresh my hair, and one of the ways to refresh my hair is by recoloring it. So I'm using this Vivacious Red because we about to get this red popping again. This color is by Dark and Lovely. So this is a fade resist for up to 8 weeks. Up to 8 weeks. Let me tell you, that is a long time for red because it will fade in about a week or two. Trust. It's a rich conditioning color. It is true to tone color and vibrant shine. Now, sis, before you come for me, this is the #1 numero uno permanent hair color designed for women of color. That's me. You already know, after you mix it up, give it a good shake, 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 shake what your mama gave ya. And you also have the conditioner for afterwards, and this one is a shea avocado and olive conditioner. The package always comes with gloves and directions. I'm going to follow the directions on the packet, but I'm not going to use the gloves. However, we will be staying strapped. Let's go. After you've mixed the color, all you really have to do is apply it. It is recommended that you apply it in sections, but because my hair is already red, I'm just going to apply it all over like I normally would do with any type of color. I just kind of, apply it. Then you wait for 30 minutes for the color to really just sit. Now, when you apply this, do not rub it into your scalp. Come closer. Do not rub it into your scalp. Back away. Color is ready. Let's apply. Now, if you experience any skin irritation throughout this application process, go ahead and wash it out. There may be something that you are allergic to, and we don't want that. You can work it into your hair, but not into the scalp. Now that my hair is fully covered in color, we're actually going to let this sit for 30 minutes. Set your timer. Make sure that you rinse thoroughly. So what that means is that the water should run clear. If the water still has like a red tint to it, keep rinsing. I rinsed my hair out. I made sure that the water ran clear, and now it's actually time to condition. It is imperative that you condition with color treated hair, period. And I mean deep conditioning every single week. Alright? Okay, Vivacious Red. Come on through with the pop. Squeeze some of this conditioner out, and we are going to just saturate the hair in it. Ooh, this is a lot of conditioner in this little bottle. I primarily focus conditioner on my ends, the weakest part of your hair. You don't need to rub conditioner into your scalp. It's unnecessary. And this conditioner is thick. Curls popping too. Okay. You loves know the drill. We're going to let this conditioner sit in my hair for maybe about another 30 minutes, give or take. We really want the moisture to set in, especially when you have color treated hair. Then I'm going to proceed to my styling process. which is actually going to be a protective style because the weather, it won't let me be great. The fro is popping. I did a very light blowout because I'm going to actually smooth this into a ponytail. My hair coloring process is not difficult, and I am a huge advocate of maintaining healthy hair even if it is colored. So you still have to take care of your hair with or without color, but I did want to share with you guys how exactly I maintain my hair color and keep it popping. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and also check my description bar for any links regarding the products that I use in this video. Check down below. Also, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!